This is a problem many sellers on eBay are facing, especially if you are drop shipping on eBay. Are you one of those people who feel like that you may have been shadow banned on eBay, or some people refer to it as being flagged on eBay? This basically means that you get a reduced amount of traffic on your eBay store, which results in getting lower sales and your promoted listings not working properly. If this is the case with you, then you need to watch this entire video because I have a solution for you. As a matter of fact, even if this has not happened to you, you need to watch this video because, as they say, prevention is better than the cure. So this is an example of a shadow banned account on eBay where the promoted listings seem to be working fine, then all of a sudden it's taken a sudden drop and it stays low, even though you've not changed the percentage that you are using for your promoted listings. But why has it suddenly dropped? Well, this is because you will have been shadow banned. What makes it even more frustrating is that when you speak to eBay live chat or when you speak to them on the phone, majority of the representatives won't even tell you that you are shadow banned. The only way to get it confirmed is if you speak to them multiple times to multiple different representatives, then eventually someone is able to tell you that you are actually shadow banned or flagged on eBay. Here is an example of the traffic being reduced on an eBay account. As you can see, the green line is the traffic of a promoted listing and the purple line is the traffic of the organic impressions. And as you can see, it is possible to get this flag removed because, as you can see, on the 10th of July over here, this is when the flag was removed, and then the traffic for the promoted listings just shot through the roof and the organic listings started to go up. It looks a little bit less on that day because that day still hasn't finished. Now, before I show you how to remove the flag, let me explain to you why this happens. It majority of the times happens to drop shippers. eBay is able to understand when you are drop shipping on your eBay account. Drop shipping basically means selling products from other retailers or marketplaces or suppliers. You basically copy the information from these suppliers, you list the product on eBay at a higher price, and when someone buys the product from your eBay store, you pay the supplier to ship the item straight to the customer. How does eBay know that you are drop shipping? eBay has a very clever algorithm that understands, the titles that you use, the description, images that you use, because if you show me an account and ask me to tell you, is it a drop shipping account? It will probably take me a few minutes to tell you whether it's a drop shipping account or not. Now, so many people think that they've devised a way of hiding the fact that they're drop shipping. Well, let me tell you, eBay's bot is a lot more clever than the third-party softwares that you guys are using. Now, although I say eBay's bot is more clever, it's also very flawed, because after speaking to many people, I've found that eBay's bot does actually make mistakes. Although according to the eBay dropshipping policy, you are allowed to drop ship on eBay in a certain way by using very specific suppliers, even when you use these specific type of suppliers, eBay's bot makes a mistake and sometimes flags drop shipping accounts that are using legitimate suppliers. What I've also found is that there's actually many people who genuinely sell physical products, proper products. They don't do any drop shipping, and they've actually been flagged or shadow banned on eBay. There are also multiple reasons why this does happen. One of the reasons being is that they probably downloaded images off Google from retailers' websites and they're selling a product, and although they're not drop shipping, they've actually made themselves look like drop shippers. Another thing could be that you've probably got thousands of items across your store and many of them have been listed on eBay for months upon months. You're getting a lot of views and you're not getting any sales. That basically means that your sales conversion isn't very good, and eBay is putting your products in front of all these people and nobody's buying them. Guess what? Why would eBay want to continuously promoting your products that it's putting in front of people, nobody's buying them, when there's all these great, fresh, brand new products coming on eBay that have great sales conversion, and ultimately eBay are making more money? So you really need to do a big reset on your account, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get logged into your eBay account, go over to my eBay and then click on selling, and you want to get logged into your eBay selling dashboard. Then go over to your listings, and what you really need to do is you need to take down every single listing on your eBay account. I know that sounds harsh and it may hurt your feelings because you spent so much time, but at the end of the day, if you really want to get this shadow ban removed, then you need to do it. The reason being is there is a listing or multiple listings on your eBay account that is is causing this issue, and there is no way of specifically pinpointing which listing it is. You may think you know, you can ask eBay as much as you like, but let me tell you from experience, eBay will not tell you. So the best thing to do is just get rid of everything. Take down all your listings on your eBay store, and you need to start selling some really cheap products that are super lightweight, super cheap to send out, and just sell them at break even. Like, look at this. I'm looking at hair clips over here, and why do you want to sell this? Look, they're selling these hair clips for £4.99. What you need to do is you need to go over to Poundland, you need to go over to the dollar store, and you need to buy these cheap items that are super cheap. But make sure they're small, they're tiny, and they're easy to send out. Now, what you are going to do is you are going to auction them off. The reason why you need to auction them off and not sell them as buy it now is, remember that you are shadow banned on eBay. That means your products are now appearing on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th page where they could have been appearing on the 1st and 2nd page. So even if you sell exactly the same product and you sell it for substantially cheaper, use the same title and images and everything else, you still may not even appear on the search engine. Now, when you auction them off with a very short auction, so like a 3-day auction, what actually happens is on the last 24 hours when the auction is about to end, eBay, whether you are shadow banned or not, it really pushes you up the search rankings. So what you then need to do is you need to sell these products break even. Forget making a profit, because you're not here to make a profit, you're here to fix your eBay account, which can take around about 2 to 4 weeks. So you're going to continuously keep listing 2 of these items every single day. It's cheap products, sell them at break even. When I mean break even, at least get your money back for the product that you paid, get the shipping and the eBay fees back, maybe sell it off at 99 cents or 99 pence, and just get your money back. Even if you make a few pennies lost, who cares? And what you're going to keep doing is you're going to auction these products off. So as you can see, eBay even gives you an option where people might search for auction, and then they're going to go ahead and click on ending soonest, and they're just going to see what's available to buy. Look at this, for £3.50, £3.50. And you just want to literally just sell these as cheap as possible. I would sell them 99 pence with free delivery. Forget making a profit on it. And then eventually, once you start making sales, don't go and buy postage labels from the post office or USPS or wherever you buy the postage labels from. Buy the postage labels directly from eBay. So when you get an order, click on print postage label and buy the postage label directly through eBay. Print it off and then use that postage label to ship the item out. What actually then happens is eBay is able to track every single thing that you do. eBay knows exactly where you're printing these postage labels off from. eBay knows where the item is coming from. eBay knows exactly where the item is going. And once you do this for around about 2 to 4 weeks, you will eventually see that the shadow ban will automatically be removed. Once the shadow ban is removed, you can test that by listing an item and then using the promoted listings. And if the promoted listings start work, then guess what? The shadow ban has been removed. Now, what you really need to do is stop doing whatever it is that you were doing. Don't download images of Google and other retailer websites. Don't dropship anymore on eBay. Don't get your item location wrong, and don't dropship on eBay. Did I already say don't dropship on eBay? Because eBay dropshipping doesn't work anymore. As a matter of fact, if you watch this video on the screen right now, I give you a full detailed explanation of why eBay dropshipping is dead.